Now we're going to do a wrist tape for hyperflexion. This is just like we saw with our wrist tape for hyperextension, only our strips are going to go on the back side of the hand instead of the front. So starting again in the same position, we're going to apply our pre-wrap. So we're going to hand over, make a fist. Good. Apply our pre-wrap to the forearm, open, come through the hand once or twice. Okay. Now we're going to apply our anchors on the wrist. Good, make a fist. Good. Again, we want a little bit of our tape to be on the skin to add some stability. Now we're going to do our anchor through the hand. So we're going to tear off our strip of tape, create that fold on the edge, place that fold, go ahead and open, good, on the thumb. And down to the wrist, good. So this time again we're trying to prevent hyperflexion, which is coming down this way. So we are going to place the wrist in a little bit of an extended position, and this time we're going to create our fan strip on the back side of the hand. So we're going to measure from our anchors on the wrist to our anchor on the hand. I'm going to tear that piece off. And then we're going to create our fan. So we're going to measure about the length of this piece, and we want 2 to 3 more pieces. So we'll have 3 to 4 in total. Good. And then I'm going to take my strips. I'm going to place the first one in a straight line. I'm going to take the next one and put it on an angle. And then we're going to angle the other direction to create an X. And then my last strip I'm going to place straight down the middle again. So this creates our fan. So again, we have one strip, the first strip going straight down the middle. Then we have 2 strips that cross in each direction, and the last strip goes straight down the middle again. So we're going to take our wrist and place them in just a little bit of extension. Again, we want the X on the fan right about the middle of the wrist. We're going to lay that down. We're a little bit long on our fan. And then we're going to apply our anchors, or our lock strips, excuse me, starting again closest to the wrist. And then we're going to do our lock strip on the hand through the palm. Again, folding the edge of the tape, placing it through the middle of the thumb. Good. So again, we're going to test. Turn this way. And our flexion is a little bit restricted. We probably could have gone a little bit tighter on that fan. It just depends how much you need to restrict their motion. You could also do another set of fan strips if you really needed to make sure it wasn't going to go anywhere, or you could have begun in a little bit more extension.